The ultimate NST board game. Good day, educators. Today we're exploring an exciting tool for the grade 6 classroom, an educational science board game. This isn't just a game, it's a comprehensive interactive learning experience designed to cover all the strands of the NST CAPS curriculum. We will look at how this game aligns with our syllabus, assesses key skills, and uses recycled materials to create a highly engaging learning environment for our learners. Let's start with the curriculum alignment. This game is built directly from the grade 6 NST CAPS document. The four colored sections on the board corresponds to the core strands. The blue section covers matter and materials, the red section tackles planet Earth and beyond, the yellow section explores energy and change, the green section addresses life and living. Each of the 60 question cards is directly tied to the specific content and skills outlined for each strand in the curriculum, ensuring that every time learners play, they are engaging with prescribed, grade-appropriate knowledge. Assessment is similarly integrated into the gameplay. The question cards are designed to do more than just a test on the learner's memories. They allow us as educators to assess both science knowledge and scientific inquiry skills. Multiple choice and completion questions. Check for factual understanding. Short answer and data response questions, where learners might analyze a picture of a food web or a circuit diagram, assesses their ability to explain, predict, and reason. The build a circuit challenge in the yellow deck is a prime example of assessing hands-on scientific inquiry. This multi-phased approach provides a clear window into each learner's understanding and the thought process. The ITMEC process simply illustrates or shows how the game board started from scratch up until its final product. This is just a continuation of that. The game board is made up of recycled materials such as bottle caps, your sticks, papers, boxes, and some cheap materials such as your bread, glue, scissors, and wool. Learner engagement and fun activities. Engagement is driven by classic game mechanisms or mechanics. The spinning wheel and the race challenge to the space 100 creates an element of chance and excitement. The rule that one player reads the question and another answers promotes collaboration and listening skills. The whole class counts down from 10 or the players, which keeps the energy high and ensures that everyone is involved even when it is not their turn. This transforms test preps and review from a lecturer or direct instruction into a lively, collaborative, actively that learners generally look forward to. This simply shows a complete picture of a board game. This board game consists of different cards with different tokens on top of each card with a different color. The tokens are made up of stones. This is a black token, blue token, white token, and a light blue token. And then there are different cards on each section, 15 cards, 15 cards, 15 cards, 15 cards. And then there are components of a simple electric circuit here, which consists of a bulb, batteries, wires, and a switch. There are also different sections here or different strands. And then this is a spinning wheel which has an indicator, and then it is also made up of recycled materials such as a box and sticks and wool. And then once the learner spins the wheel, this indicator will indicate which number is the learner supposed to use to move with their token in the specific board game. This is a guideline that illustrates how the learners should actually play the game or to do their setup and to follow the specific instructions. The demonstration of how the game is played. This is a simple demonstration of how the game is played. As you can see, the learner spins the wheel and then they unpack the materials from the actual deck or the board game. And then the number which it lands on, the learner uses their token to place it at a specific number. And then from there, since it is yellow, they take a specific card that is yellow. The other one shovels the card, and then the player chooses a specific card, and then the other learner will read the question. Since this is an electric circuit challenge, the learner has to build up a circuit, and then the other one has to do a countdown, as you can see. The learner is so devastated to finish off the circuit because of if the countdown runs out, she will remain at the same position where she started. As you can see, she's trying by all means to make the circuit light up. In conclusion, the science board game is more than just a fun activity. It is a pedagogical tool that is fully aligned with the CAPS curriculum, which provides opportunities for assessment and sustainability, and most importantly, it fosters deep learning and engagement. It represents a shift towards creating a dynamic classroom environment where learners are active participants of their learning journey. Thank you.